Unlocking the secrets of eyelash maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines beauty with self-care, eyelash maintenance. Whether for enhancing natural beauty or ensuring the health of your eyelashes, understanding this phrase is essential. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets behind eyelash maintenance. Eyelash maintenance refers to the care and upkeep of your eyelashes to ensure they are healthy, strong, and beautiful. This can include a variety of practices, from daily cleaning to the application of specific products designed to nourish and strengthen eyelashes. It's not just about aesthetics. It's also about hygiene and eye health. Daily care is the cornerstone of eyelash maintenance. This involves gently cleaning your eyelashes to remove dust, debris, and makeup that can accumulate throughout the day. Using a soft, gentle cleanser and avoiding harsh rubbing are crucial steps to prevent damage. Additionally, applying a nourishing serum or oil, such as castor or coconut oil, can help to strengthen and moisturize your lashes. For those looking to enhance their eyelashes further, professional treatments like eyelash extensions, lifting, and tinting are popular options. However, these treatments require regular upkeep to maintain their appearance and ensure the health of your natural lashes. This section of the video will explore what each treatment entails and the maintenance routines associated with them. Many people unknowingly make mistakes that can compromise their eyelash health. This includes using expired makeup, sharing mascara, and neglecting to remove makeup before bed. We'll discuss how these habits can affect your eyelashes and share tips on avoiding these common pitfalls. Caring for your eyelashes is an integral part of your beauty and hygiene routine. Eyelash maintenance is not just about looking good. It's about keeping your eyes healthy and your lashes in the best possible condition. We hope this video has shed some light on how to properly care for your eyelashes and why it's so important. Remember, a little care goes a long way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.